Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about, or the question is, can I crop and save multiple videos at once on iPhone? I definitely think you can, and there are plenty of options on how you can do it. I would firstly recommend you to get a video editor, something like CapCut. I believe that this is probably one of the best options out there, as it's free to download and very easy to use, packed with features. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, I'm just genuinely believing that it's a good app. So open it up, and once you come to this main menu, just create a new project and import all of the videos that you want to crop. So for example, you have a few vertical videos and you want to turn them into a different shape or whatever, right? So you just add them in here. And if the cropping is like just shortening or managing the videos, then you can obviously do it for any of the clips in here. But in case you want to just crop it to make it, for example, a square video or something, in this case, make sure none of the clips are selected, and then scroll through the available options at the bottom and choose the aspect ratio. And in here, we have the original TikTok, we have the Instagram, which is essentially 9:16, 1:1, then 16:9, and plenty of them which are available to pick, right? So let's say I'm gonna pick this one right here and confirm this. Now we have a square video, and this one is taking up only the middle portion, so I can just zoom it in and adjust it, right? And now all of the clips are gonna take the shape of this video, of this aspect ratio. So I can zoom it in, I can do whatever I want, but all of the videos are going to be cropped into a square. Now I can just export the video by clicking on the arrow button and essentially end up with a finished result. So naturally, it depends on what exactly you're trying to achieve with this, but with this app, I believe that there are plenty of options, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to be able to do what you intend to. So let me know down below what's your intention with this. So leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.